Okay, so like this says best snacks. So you could talk about snacks that you like.
Absolutely.
So it really involves and brings in this idea of communication, which is key toward emotional intelligence.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the FlagHouse Sensory Channel. I'm your host, Chris. I'm here this week with Ilana Danneman, and this week we're both feeling a little silly about the Social Emotion Kit from FlagHouse. We've got a whole bunch of different products here to help people learn about the emotions of themselves and about others.
That's right, because we're going to start to understand how we feel and start to recognize the faces of others and translate that to our emotion. So, you know, we have things from games to other things that have emotional faces on them, so we can start to recognize like this block here, right? So you can toss it, and also while you're doing that, you're also kind of managing your emotions. Yep. Because you're moving and catching.
Absolutely, and it's about growing to learn that difference of what emotions you have, understanding your own emotions, and also understanding the emotions of others too.
Right, and also some what we call self-care, you know, some soothing things on the table here so we can start to, you know, manage our own feelings.
Perfect, so we've got all those things, so if you're feeling a little sad or maybe a little scared, you can work with the stuff like the gel tic-tac-toe or the jelly seat that have some great things. There's an included mirror too that lets you look at yourself and you can kind of reflect those feelings. And what about these thumb balls? What about them is so interesting?
Yeah, so the thumb balls and also these cubes have questions on them. So the idea with this is you toss the ball and wherever your finger lands, okay? So like this says best snacks. So you could talk about snacks that you like.
Absolutely.
So it really involves and brings in this idea of communication, which is key toward emotional intelligence.
Great, and we also have games in here. So we have the Emoda capsules, which have some different games, and then the My Feelings board game. You played that with the kids for a little bit. What'd you think?
Really great game. You know, it brings up a lot of facial recognitions, different faces, and also sharing and turn taking, so it's a really good social learning experience.
Fantastic. So this is the Social Emotion Kit from FlagHouse. We're going to put the link for you guys down in the description of this video, and you can head over there to check it out a little further. And while you're there, make sure you subscribe so that you can always check out new videos from us every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.